హలో గైస్, వెల్కమ్ టు టాక్ పాయింట్. సో క్రిప్టో కరెన్సీ ఇప్పుడు మనకి బాగా వినిపిస్తున్న పేరు కాబట్టి, క్రిప్టో కరెన్సీ ఇప్పుడు బాగా అందరూ తెగ వాడిస్తున్న పేరు కాబట్టి, అండ్ మెనీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ రియలీ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ క్రిప్టో కరెన్సీ కాబట్టి, ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు స్టార్ట్ అ న్యూ సిరీస్ ఆన్ దిస్ క్రిప్టో కరెన్సీ టాపిక్. అండ్ ఈ సిరీస్ అంతా నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను, బికాస్ చాలా ఇంగ్లీష్ పదాలు తెలుగులోకి ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసేసరికి ఇట్ రియలీ అంతగా అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు. సో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఒకటి నేను తెలుగులో చెప్పి మిగతాదంతా ఇంగ్లీష్లో కానిస్తాను. సో ప్లీజ్ బేర్ విత్ మీ. ఐ హోప్ మై ఇంగ్లీష్ is good and understandable to you. So let's begin this series with this video, brief history of cryptocurrency. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? The cryptocurrencies have become all the rage over the last few months, especially after the meteoric rise in the price of Bitcoin back in December 2017. It used to be that cryptocurrency investing was a realm of experts and savvy investors. But because of Bitcoin's massive success and popularity after December 2017, things have changed. It has now expanded to include even the smallest and least experienced of investors. Before going into the details of hodling and cryptocurrencies in general, it would be very beneficial for you to get a glimpse of how cryptocurrencies became what they are now. Now let's see what cryptocurrencies are. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies underpinned by cryptographic systems. They enable secure online payments without the use of third-party intermediaries. Crypto refers to the various encryption algorithms and cryptographic techniques that safeguard these entries, such as elliptical curve encryption, public-private key pairs, and hashing functions. Cryptocurrencies can be mined or purchased from cryptocurrency exchanges. Not all e-commerce e-sites allow purchases using cryptocurrencies. In fact, cryptocurrencies, even popular ones like Bitcoin, are hardly used for retail transactions. However, the skyrocketing value of cryptocurrencies has made them popular as trading instruments. To a limited extent, they're also used for cross-border transfers. Now let's take a look at brief history of cryptocurrencies. It all began in the 1990s when American cryptographer David Shaw created what was considered was the first kind of online money in the Netherlands, that is DigiCash. He created DigiCash as an extension of an encryption algorithm that was considered popular during those days, which was RSA. The technology he created together with the eCash product, was able to generate a huge amount of attention from the media. It became so popular that Microsoft Corporation tried to buy DigiCash for $180 million with the intention of placing DigiCash on every computer in the world that ran on Windows operating system. One of the crucial mistakes David and his company made was to reject Microsoft's $180 million offer and earn the ire of the Netherlands Central Bank, which was the Netherlands' primary monetary authority. All of those crucial mistakes eventually led to the demise of DigiCash in 1998, when the company went bankrupt. The second generation of internet money was born from the learning experiences of DigiCash. Companies from this generation came up with the alternative payment solutions and money systems that were also internet-based but with small but important changes. Of these companies, the clear winner was PayPal. The reason why PayPal trumped its competition was its ability to give users what they really wanted in the first place, which was money on the web browser platforms they were already familiar with. PayPal, unlike its peers back in the day, was able to give its users the ability to transfer money to and from merchants and buyers, respectively, using a seamless peer-to-peer money transfer system. PayPal's massive success is very obvious by the fact that next only to credit cards, it's the most popular means by which to transact online. But wait, there's more. PayPal's success led to other companies emulating it. One of the systems that tried to walk on the same path as PayPal was eGold. Unlike PayPal, its primary currency was gold. That is, it received physical gold as deposits from its users. And in return, it issued eGold or gold credits. eGold was able to manage a relatively healthy amount of cross-border transactions using gold. But because of the prevalence of fraudulent investment scams like Ponzi schemes, eGold was closed. The next significant event in the history of cryptocurrencies is the 2008 subprime mortgage crisis that nearly crippled the financial system of the United States and affected many of the world's major financial institutions. and affected many of the world's major financial institutions. This event served as some kind of wake up call to many of the world's major economies and has led to the emergence of what is now popularly known as the blockchain, which is the foundation of cryptocurrencies today as we know them. In 2009, an anonymous person that went by the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper that expounded, among other things, the source code, technology, and concept of what is now called the blockchain. And together with the blockchain, he launched the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies as we know it, Bitcoin. The blockchain, while not an earth-shattering, disruptive, or incremental technology, was considered a foundational one. Why foundational? It's because it was meant to, and still does, serve as a bedrock upon other data network storage technologies can be built. The blockchain naturally challenges all the conventional online data management protocols of the time, which included centralization of data. Today, there are more than 16 million units of Bitcoin that are circulating in the digital financial system, and these have a total market capitalization of around $50 billion. More importantly, Bitcoin's already garnering increased acceptance and support from both the IT and business communities alike as part of its gradual integration into the financial mainstream. Some economic powerhouse countries like Australia, Canada, and Japan have already begun regulating Bitcoins through tax and legal measures. Since 2009, the growth in the popularity of the blockchain and Bitcoins has changed and surged. This surge in popularity gave birth to other cryptocurrencies, which are referred to as altcoins or alternative coins to Bitcoin. Today, there are more than 850 cryptocurrencies in the digital financial system being transacted internationally, which included Ethereum, which is also known as Ether, Ripple, Litecoin, Monero, and Stratus. And if you combine the total market capitalization of all altcoins with that of Bitcoin, that result would exceed $100 billion. Because of the massive expansion of cryptocurrencies, it appears that cryptocurrencies have created an entirely new and global industry. Because of the massive advances in the blockchain technology, as evidenced by the growth in the number of cryptocurrencies on the market today, newly developed apps that will be created upon the blockchain technology will naturally use cryptocurrencies. And as more and more cryptocurrency platforms and exchanges start to emerge, more and more people will be able to use blockchain-based apps, which in turn will make the latter industry grow even more. Now, what exactly is this blockchain technology? Central to the appeal and functionality of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. As its name indicates, blockchain is essentially a set of connected blocks or an online ledger. Each block contains a set of transactions that have been independently verified by each member of the network. Every new block generated must be verified by each node before being committed, making it almost impossible to forge transaction histories. The contents of the online ledger must be agreed upon by the entire network of an individual node or computer maintaining a copy of the ledger. Experts say that blockchain technology can serve multiple industries such as supply chain and processes such as online voting and crowdfunding. Financial institutions such as JP Morgan Chase & Co. are testing the use of blockchain technology to lower transaction costs by streamlining payment processing. So this is a brief history of cryptocurrency, and hope you liked it. We'll be back soon with more topics. So take care, stay safe, bye.